Hey guys, so it's day number 11 na tayo dito sa ating challenge. Ang ganda ng view ko sa likod oh. And today, share ko lang yung mga nangyari for the past uh, 20, 24 hours. And yeah, meron tayong positions ngayon na ongoing. And discuss natin yan. Pero bago tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin. Turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So meron tayong ongoing position. And meron tayong flow. I got stop out sa flow eh. Pero nahit yung isang limit order ko sa ilalim. And WLD still open positions. We see some divergence. Yung Alchemist pala guys, no? DM nyo na lang ako sa Facebook para ma-share ko yung pinaka-official link ng journal natin. And ang daming mga nag-comment. So, yun, DM nyo lang ako sa Facebook. And lalagay ko na lang kung sa YouTube mo man ito napapanood yung description. Nasa description box yung pinaka Facebook natin. And yeah, recap ko na lang siguro. So meron tayong position kay Flow. Again guys, no, ang video natin today or itong update natin is just for ideas lang, for entertainment, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice, no. And yesterday, no, I got stop out and then hit yung limit order. Yan yung running ngayon. And WLD I just contested because of the bullish divergence, and we observed some decent volume, and we contested as well yung rave short, no, but I got stop out and then I re-entry with tight stop loss. So andyan sa pinaka trade history naman natin. Yeah, pretty much it guys, no. This is weekend, conservative. Dapat wala talaga akong trade, but for the sake of this challenge, running lang yung positions na yan. And yeah, and guys, thank you so much for watching. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now. Kita-kits tayo tomorrow guys. Day number 12, no?